Hey everybody, it's Mark from G's Bees, and it is March the 29th maybe. I am up here in Paradise, Pennsylvania at Forest Hill Woodworking, picking up some frames. You know, when you get bees, you got to have more frames. So if you ever need quality woodworking stuff, I would highly recommend Ike up here. It's all handcrafted. He makes everything here in his wood shop. Great service, wonderful folks, great to work with, but highly recommend Forest Hill Woodworking. Usually come up here a couple times a year. Also new this year at Forest Hill, they are actually dipping your bee boxes in wax. I'm not sure about the cost, but the best thing about this is it's waterproof. It not only just like paint, you paint the outside of it, but this gets on the inside and completely seals it. So this is a box that's going to last you your entire life. You can see it does bottom boards, nukes, all sorts of stuff. So if you're considering getting new gear, come up here to Forest Hill, get them dipped. You don't have to paint them.